question. What do we call the set of negative numbers and whole numbers? What do we call the set of negative numbers and whole numbers? Integers. Correct? Set of negative numbers means minus. This is the number line. Minus infinity, all the negative numbers, minus 2, minus 1. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3. All these numbers we can call it as integers. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Integers is the answer. Question number 2.
1. Option C. Option C.
Which of the following is the smallest positive integer?
Sir, option C.
Sir, option C.
Option C 1.
0 is neither positive nor negative. That's why we cannot consider. Only C is the correct answer. Which of the following is the smallest positive integer? 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when the class has to be recorded, so don't shout more. Okay. Slowly we can discuss. I can mute everyone. You can say only option in the chat box. Okay. You can say your option in the chat box only. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. Where are the negative numbers located on a horizontal number line? Where are the negative numbers located on a horizontal number line? This is the horizontal number line. This is 0. Right hand side positive numbers. Left hand side negative numbers. Yes or no? On the left of 0. B option. Correct? On the left of 0. Gunatham, you taken the this one screenshot of this? Yes. Next one. What is the opposite of earning rupees 100? What is the opposite of earning rupees 100? Earning means what? Earning means earning means getting money, coming money. Okay. What is opposite of coming money? Going money. Going means spending only, no? Which option? Fourth option. Opposite of earning money. Earning money means plus 100. Going money means minus 100. Opposite. Going is nothing but spending. Spending rupees 100. Understand? Good. Can I move to the next one? Yes. Question number 5. Question number 5. Pranati, you take the mathematics material and open it and see page number 12, page number 11, everyone, the mathematics material. Bhuvan, you don't have material with you because you didn't take it still now, so you can see in the here only. How is the withdrawal of 200 represented? How is the withdrawal of rupees 200 represent? Withdrawing amount minus rupees 200. Page number 11. Pranati, page number 11 you can see. Pranati, I repeat to you, see page number 11, see the 5th question. Forget about first 4 questions, later at last you can see the 5th question. How is the withdrawal of rupees 200? Withdrawal means what? We are taking means from the account it is minus 200. Yes or no? Minus 200. Withdrawal means. Yes or no? Does she have any doubt? You are raising hand. Why? You have material with you? Yes, Gunatham, tell me. What's your doubt?
Sir, the opposite of withdrawal is deposit, no, sir?
They didn't given. Where in the question they given opposite? Can you speak once? Where is they given the
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
previous question they given opposite. This question they didn't given anything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Bhuvan, tomorrow you can collect the material. Don't miss it. That's why I said everyone to collect the material.
Sir, withdraw is taking the money, no, sir?
Withdraw is taking money means from your account it is subtracting the account amount.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Understood.
Time after 5 at any time you can come, Bhuvan. Rishi, you are raising hand. I understood.
Sir, after the class, can I come, sir?
Yeah, you can come and take, no problem.
Yes,
Now
sir.
also. Tell me, Rishi, what's your doubt?
Sir, you told minus 200, no, sir. Is it
Correct.
rupees 200 or minus 200, sir?
Minus rupees 200. Withdrawing money from the account, you are withdrawing money will get decreased from your account now. How much it is getting decreased? 200 rupees getting decreased. Decrease means minus now. Understood, Rishi? Yes. Don't use your video because our internet already it was very little. Okay. Just use chat box. That's it. 3 more members raised their hand. Why? I don't know. Don't raise hand. Any doubt is there? You can type in chat box. That's it. Okay. Yes. Next question. Which of the following is true with respect to minus 28 and minus 32? Minus 28 is more, minus 32 is more. Which is more? Minus 28 only more. So which option? D option. Now you understand why I explained linear inequalities. Without knowing linear inequalities, we cannot understand what is meant by all these questions. Okay. It is inbuilt linear inequalities everywhere. Can I move to the next question, everyone? Yes. Can I? Good. Where do we place the positive numbers on a vertical number line with respect to 0? Vertical number line. Vertical number line is like this. See, nothing. See, actually we are writing like this: 0, 1, 2, 3. This one you write in vertical means y-axis. No, y-axis means above positive numbers, below negative numbers. No. On y-axis, above positive numbers, below negative numbers. Correct? Huh? What they're asking? Where do we place the positive numbers on a vertical number line with respect to 0? Positive numbers above, no? Above. A option. Very good. Can I move to the next question? Question number 8. What is the representation of 30 kilometers towards the west? Dear student, remember north, south, east, west. What is the representation of 30 kilometers towards the west? Let us assume this is origin 0. West means this side, no, this side means negative side, no? Minus 30. Yes or no? Always you can draw number like that, means north, east, west, south. Negative means west. Next one. This question you did not understand, Pranati. Which one you did not understand, Pranati? Eighth one understood now? What is the nature of the product of a negative integer by itself? Odd number of times. What they said, odd number of times. What is the nature of the product of a negative integer by itself? Odd number of times. Nature of negative numbers, negative only, no? Odd number of times. If you take odd number of times means 3 times, so 5 times, so 6 times, so 8 times, so 9 times, so 12 times. The odd number of times, if you take an even number of times, always minus into minus into minus. How much? Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus only, no? Negative. Odd number of times means 3 times you take, 5 times you take, 7 times you take. 3 times means minus into minus into minus. How much? Minus. 5 times minus into minus into minus, and like that you multiply 5 times, what you will get? Minus 1. So odd number of times means always it is negative. Understand now, Pranati? I'll move to the next question. Question number 10, you can try, everyone. Question number 10. Everyone, question number 10. Do it fast. Question number 10. Any idea? C option. Gunata, what's your doubt? If you have doubt, only raise your hand. You can ask in the Gunata, what's your doubt? Don't raise hand. Finish means.
Going to chat, so it went to raise hand only. Sorry.
Pranati, what's your doubt?
Sir, nothing, sir. Sir, 10th one is option C, no, sir?
Yes. I'm seeing, one second. Everyone is reading, no? That's why. What is the nature of the product of a negative number by itself even number of times? Even number of times means always positive, no? Yes. 2 times minus into minus plus. 4 times plus. 6 times plus. Even number of times negative become positive. Odd number of times negative become negative only. Understand? Everyone is following seriously. Can I move to the next question? Yes. Calculate minus 32. Now you will understood how many times minus is there. But middle 0 is there. 0 into anything is 0. Don't multiply, simply don't waste time. In middle 0 is there. 0 into anything is 0. Then answer is easy. Understand? 0 into anything is 0. Next one. What happened, Bhuvan? Rishi, what do you want? You have a doubt. I can unmute you. Tell me, Rishi. You can speak.
Sir, I didn't understand 9th and 10th one, sir.
Rishi, you say my question answer. Minus into minus how much? Rishi, you don't mute yourself. You can answer to my question first. Minus into minus how much?
Sir, plus.
Plus. 2 times minus is there means plus. 2 means even number or odd number?
2 is even number, sir.
Even number of times minus is there means plus positive. 9th question they given odd number of times minus. 3 times I taken minus. Minus into minus into minus. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus no. Odd number of times minus is there means negative. Even number of times negative minus is there means positive. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Do it. Do it fast. Next one. Eleventh one is 0, you already know, because multiplication of 0, 0. Twelfth and 13th. If the divided and the divisor have like signs, what is the sign of the quotient? If the dividend and the divisor have like signs, what is the sign of the quotient? Positive. What they are asking means plus divided by plus how much? Plus only. Minus divided by minus is also plus only. No, minus minus get cancelled. So numerator and denominator both same symbol is there. You will get always positive. I'm repeating, everyone, you can understand and you can follow me. Numerator and denominator same symbol is there. It is always positive. Next question. If the dividend and divisor have unlike signs, what is the sign of the quotient? If the dividend and divisor have unlike signs, plus divided by minus, minus, minus divided by plus, minus. Both are different symbol is there means it is always negative. Understand? This is called real basics, my dear students. What you are learning. Next, 13th question. If the dividend and divisor have unlike signs, then it is negative, we discussed. Now 14th one will move. It is like a match the following. In JEE mains, they can also match the following questions more. First one, 132 divided by Gunatham, have doubt. What's your doubt, Gunatham?
Sir, you said something about 12th one, sir. What was that? You said something.
Minus divided by plus is minus, plus divided by minus is minus. Same I said, that's it.
Okay, sir. Sir, and 13th one answer is what, sir?
13th one answer.
Yes, sir.
13th one answer is negative. 12th one answer is positive, no?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Hey, where is Suhas? Suhas is not there. Bhuvan? Next one. Don't answer anyone. You can answer in chat box. 132 divided by minus 12. D. You say first what is first one is D. Second one Minus 144 divided by 16. Correct. Minus sign means C. Minus 32 divided by minus 4. Minus divided by minus plus no, plus 8B. 196 divided by 4, 49 A. DCBA, which option? DCBA, which option? Fourth option. Fourth or third? Careful. Option C, correct. Option C is the right answer. Understand what I'm explaining to you? Everyone is following. Everyone is following seriously. Yes, good. Yes, good. It is easy. Matching is easy, but option we need to check now. That is important. 15th one. With respect to which of the following operations is closure property satisfied by the set of integers? Closure property means what? What is meant by closure property, my dear students? What is meant by closure property? I can say like this. Sum of two numbers, a plus b belongs to integer, a minus b belongs to integer, a into b belongs to integer, but a by b does not belong to integer. Why means a by 0 does not exist now, so not possible. So closure property is possible only for addition, multiplication, subtraction. For division it is not possible. Closure property means 3 by 0 possible, not possible, no. That's right. Addition it is possible, multiplication it is possible, minus is also possible. For what? For integers. Understand what I am saying to everyone? Good. Next one. Next one. What is the additive identity for the integers? Additive identity. What is the additive identity? A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. 0 is the additive identity. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. 0 is the additive identity. Next. I need to give the next questions to you now because some of them they don't have material. From 17th question. Complete. And displaying the question. Wait a minute. On the screen. Wait a minute. I can display that. One second, it will come. Wait a minute. That's why if everyone will take material, it is very easy. Otherwise, I need to take the photo and I need to upload in mail. Yeah, it came. Oh, it came. Don't worry. Which of the following is the multiplicative identity in the set array of integers? Multiplicative identity means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 1 is identity element. 5 into 1 is 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 1 is called identity element. Understand? 17th one answer is 1. Who have material, you are doing very fast. I understood. Good. What is the value of 124 into 4 minus 3 plus 118 divided by 2? No problem. Sure. It's first we can do division. 188 by 2 how much? 96. So 124 into 4 minus 3 plus 96. 124 by 4 how much? 31 minus 3 plus 96. Now 31 plus 93. What 31? That is into, no, not division. Okay. 124 4s are how much? 496 minus 3 plus 96. It's a DMAS, correct, because they didn't give in bracket, there is a problem. You crossed that level of brackets. If they given brackets, you can follow. 558 only correct. Pranil, tell me. Pranati, tell me. Why you are raising?
Sir, I think by mistake, sir.
I did not raise.
Huh?
I did not raise, sir.
No. You are saying something, no, in the message. That's why.
Sir, it is not BODMAS, it is DMAS. That's all.
DMAS. DMAS or BODMAS, anything, say, because 490, see, 124 into 4, first you do 496. Minus 3 plus 118 divided by 2, how much? 59. So if you subtract 496 plus 56, what you will get? 452 only now, 552 only now. That is only answer. BODMAS only generally. You know, I don't know whether you remember BODMAS or not. First you can do division, next multiplication, next addition, next subtraction. That is the order.
You know,
Okay.
sir.
You know, no, maybe you are 7th standard, I think, correct. They stopped online classes for you in the school?
No, sir, we have, sir.
You have, okay. Good. Next one. Next one. Next question. Question number 19. Which of the following orders is used while evaluating an expression? I think you are aware than me. For evaluating the expression, what is the order we need to follow? Everyone. C. This bracket. Next one is this bracket. Next one is this bracket. Correct? Huh? Option C. If you don't know, now you remember, that's it. Okay. Next one. Question number. If a negative sign precedes a bracket, what happens to the terms inside it? I repeat. If a negative sign precedes a bracket, what happens to the terms inside? The sign are changed, the terms are reciprocated, the signs remain the same, the terms are doubled. The sign are changed. Before +3, after that it become -3, correct? Like that. Understand? Good. Next one. Next one. Question number 20, correct. 20th, anyone doubt? Is there anyone? 20th, you understood, Rishi? No. 20th, you have doubt, Rishi?
Yes, sir.
I am showing to you, Rishi. See, minus out bracket outside is there, inside +3 is there. Let us assume. What is the total answer? -3 now. The sign can change now. Inside +3 is there. Minus into plus become minus. Understand? Next one. 21. 21. If a positive sign precedes a bracket, what happens to the term inside it? If a positive sign precedes a bracket, what happens to the terms inside? If a positive sign precedes a bracket, sign of the term will be changed. No. Every term is reciprocal. No. Every term will become 0. No. No change occurs in any of the terms. D option. Correct. Read the options very carefully, my dear student. Then you can understand very clearly. Okay. What is the value of the expression? 7 minus 13, like that they given. What is the answer? Anyone can you try the answer? A minute. 6 of -5 means 6 into -5, remember. Okay. So I can write properly here. See, 7 minus 13 minus of -2 minus 6 of 6 of -5. This bracket, this bracket, this bracket. Now we can see how. 7 minus 13 minus -2 minus 6 of 6 5s are -30. 6 into 5 minus the half means into, okay. 7 minus of 13 minus -2 minus into minus plus 6 30s are 180. One bracket close. 7 minus 13 minus of 180 minus 2, 178. Thirteen minus 178 minus how much? 165 minus 165. Minus of minus plus 165. Total answer 172. Which option? C option. No need to difficult in this. Minus into minus plus 180. That is only important. Remaining all just addition and subtraction. Okay. Nice question. Huh? Can you show the question? Yes, definitely I can show the question. Question number 23. What is the sign of the product of two integers with like sign? Like sign means same you will get now product. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Always you are getting positive. Same model question we discussed integers. That time also positive I said. Even number of times negative k means positive I said no. Same concept. Question repeated, but the way of question is different. That is different, this is different. That they given as negative repeated even number of times. Here they said the sign of the product of two integers with like signs. Questioning is different, no? Correct, no? Questioning is different. Now, completed. Can I move to the next one? 24. 24, everyone. Everyone is understanding questions. Are you enjoying the class? Seriously? Okay. What is the sign of the product of two integers with unlike sign? Sign of the product of two integers with unlike sign. Minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus, negative A. Correct answer, everyone. Negative A. Okay, good. I will move to the question number 25, everyone. What they given 25? Which of the following operations on integers satisfy the commutative property? Commutative property. Commutative means A plus B is equal to B plus A. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. 2 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 2. 2 divided by 3 not equal to 3 divided by 2. So only plus and multiplication possible. Correct? Plus and multiplication, D option. Yes or no? Good. Good. Rishi understood? Only plus and multiplication you have commutative property. Commutative means a plus b is equal to b plus a. Can I move to the next question? Everyone. Can I? Twenty-sixth. 26 printing was not happened. Maybe you have doubt. Ask your doubt, Rishi.
Sir, in 25th one, sir. Sir, what you wrote on the screen, I didn't understand, sir.
Now, a plus b is equal to b plus a means we can say it is called commutative. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. 5 is equal to 5, correct now? 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 6, correct now? 2 minus 3 value minus 1. 3 minus 2 value 1, not equal. 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. That's why only plus and multiplication it is commutative. It's good. Over which of the following operations is multiplication distributed in the set of integers? Any answers, anyone? Any answers, anyone? Over which of the following operations multiplication distributed in the set of integers? For which of the following operations is multiplication distributed in the set of integers? Cannot see the options now. Options, anyone can say option 1. I can say I have material with me. Option is A option is minus comma plus, B option is minus comma into, C option is plus comma minus, D option is into comma divided by. Over which of the following operations is multiplication distributed in the set of integers? Multiplication distributed. Two minus plus 3 possible, but we cannot write divided by into, not at all possible. Minus into also not possible. First option, what is the first option? I didn't write properly. Minus divided by, this is not plus. Sorry. Only plus minus possible. What they are asking question means, over which of the following operations is multiplication distributed in the set of integers? This is the multiplication. This is distributed between plus and minus only, no? Minus and plus or plus and minus? Which option? C option. That bracket what we are writing, that is called multiplication. Multiplication is distributing for plus and minus only, not for into and into. Remember. Next question. Question number 27. What is the sign of the product obtained when a positive integer is multiplied by minus 1? Suppose I have 3 into minus 1. Minus 3. Negative will come. Correct now? Any positive number, if you are multiplying with -1, you are getting negative only now. That's it. Yes or no? Everyone is following seriously? Everyone understanding the things? Anyone having doubt, raise your hand. Anyone having doubt, raise your hand. No doubt. Rishi, any doubt? Rishi, you have any doubt? Okay, good. The sum of two integers is 62. One of the integers is 48. Find the other. A plus minus 48 is equal to 62. A is equal to 62 plus 48. Minus 48 transfer right hand side. A is equal to 110. Which option? The option. Sum of two integers. One integer A. Second integer minus 48 they given. Sum is plus no. A plus minus 48 62. Minus 48 transfer right hand side plus 48. A is 110. LKG question. Correct now? If it is easy, I can say LKG. Next question. Next one. Question number 29 now. The product of two integers is minus 48. Product. One integer is minus 6. A into minus 6 is equal to minus 48. A is equal to minus 48 by minus 6. This is equal to now. Symbol won't change. Minus minus cancel. 6 8s are 48. A is 8. Understand? Only linear inequalities only. If you are transferring negative to right hand side or left hand side, minus will change. This is normal equal to no, so it won't change anything. As it is, it will be. You are doing very fast. Good. 30th question. Correct. A man walked 3 kilometers towards north. Man started here, 3 kilometers towards north. 3n. Then 8 kilometers towards south. North opposite south only now. What is his final position with respect to his initial position? This is a straight line. Here he started. 3 kilometers north. Next they said 8 kilometers south. South means again he can come back. He can come back. From here, these 3 south, again he came back, no? Again here he moved. How many kilometers? 5 south. Total how much? 8 south, no? From the initial point to here, how much is there? 5 south only, no? Which option? 5 kilometers towards south. D option. Understand? Direction sense. 3 kilometers going, again 8 kilometers coming down. 8 kilometers, first 3 kilometers he came, he reached his place. From here again he need to travel 5 kilometers south. Yes means south. Okay. Want to understood clearly. Here I started. I went 3 kilometers north. Again I come back south. Total how much south? 8 kilometers south. 8 south. South round side now. This is 3 south. He reached his place, same place. Again he moved. How many? 3 plus 5 south. So 5 south is the answer. Like that. General. It's, you can think a normal. That's it. Simple way. Common sense. It's common sense question like that. Good, completed. Can I move to the next one? Yes. What is the smallest negative integer? What is the smallest negative integer? Can anyone will think? What is the smallest negative integer? Does not exist. Don't say -1. -1 is the greatest negative integer. Does not exist. Does not exist. Previous contest questions. That means if you write any before any, not you, if any exams they conducted, competitive exams, out of the questions they given. Shall we try that? Or you can try. Previous contest questions you can try. 8 questions are there. That 8 questions you can solve the answers. Then first chapter getting close. Integers. Correct? Huh? See nicely. In one class you can finish nicely one question. All the objective questions. How are the questions? Some questions are little logic, you know. All are easy. I need to give this as homework. Today we will stop class because we know the going and coming, his internet is not connecting. Vinod, what about your internet? No homework.
No, sir, I'm using mobile, sir, so it is happening like that, sir. Today
Okay.
I gave a laptop for repair.
Okay. In a
Sir,
quiz,
for internet, sir, today.
in a quiz, the positive marks were given for correct answers and negative marks for incorrect answers. If Guru's score is 5 successive rounds were 35. Okay. Comma -10, comma -5, comma 20 and 5. What is the total score? You can add. LKG question 35 -10 -15 plus 20 plus 5. 10, 15, 25, 20 plus 5, 25. Only 35 is not. How nicely I cancel now? Correct? Huh? Can I move to the next question? Everyone is ready? Yes. It's usable now. A deep well has steps inside it. Okay. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. If the monkey jumps 3 steps down, 3 steps down means it is going down now. Okay. Monkey is sitting in first step. It went 3 steps down now, plus 3. And then jumps back 2 steps. Back means -2. Up. How many jumps does it have to make the water level? Seven steps. Option C. What is options? I don't know. Three going, 2 coming back. 3 going, 2 coming back. 3 going, 2 coming back, like that. What is this answer? 1 plus 3, 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Again 3 going, 3 going down, 2 coming back. What is this answer? This is 1 step. What is they said question? How many jumps they are asking, not how many steps. Remember, going and coming also need to. Ninth step, water is there. Remember, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. No, I wrote one small mistake here. Why I wrote 2? 4 minus 3, 3. 3 plus 3, 6 minus 2, 4. Again plus 3 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3, every time one step only it is going now. Okay. Like that, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. Next to 7, next to 8. Next to 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth step, water is there. Which step water is there? Nine steps. You have a doubt? Okay, Satyapriya. Tell me, Satyapriya.
Sir, 1 plus 3 minus 2 is 2, no, sir. So we have to write 2 plus 3 minus 2,
Correct,
sir.
correct. First 1, next you will get 2. Correct? Next you will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. They did the water level is at the ninth step. Okay. How many times it was jumped? Nine is the correct answer now. How many jumps does it have to make the reach the water level? Okay. Option D is correct, everyone. No doubt in that. Just I was cross checking. Second option is correct, 9. Correct, no? See, first it is sitting on first step. 3 steps going, 2 steps coming means 3 minus 2, 1. So only it is now it is in second step. Again 3 steps going, 2 steps coming means third step. Like that, one step only it is going. Correct now? That's why. 9 steps total. 9 jumps. Next question. Next question is not there here, I think. Where is it? Next question. I need to again give the printout. Remaining who have material, you can try. Try who have material fast. Who have material, you can try. Who have material, try everyone. Got it. Next question. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature lower. Anyone got the answer for this? From 4 degrees at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. It is decreasing 4 degrees, 5 degrees every hour. So 5 into 4. What is the room temperature after 10 hours? A certain freezing process requires that, freezing means cooling, like a refrigerator, cool we require. Room temperature be lowered from 4 degrees at the rate of 5 degrees every 1 hour. Every 1 hour it is decreasing 5 hours. Actual 4 degrees is there. Every 1 hour it is decreasing 5 degrees centigrade. What is the room temperature after 10 hours? A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 4 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees every hour. After 10 hours, actually 4 degrees means 10 fours or 40 hours is possible. 40 degrees is possible. But every hour it is decreasing 5 degrees. Now 10 into 5, how much? 5 centigrade means 10 5s are 50 centigrade. 40 minus 50, how much? Minus 10 degrees centigrade. You can do in this process, or actually 4 degrees centigrade is there. Every time it is decreasing 5 degrees centigrade. 4 minus 4 minus 1 degree centigrade. 10 hours, 10 into minus 1 degree centigrade. Total how much? Minus 10 degrees centigrade. You can do like that also. Okay. You can do in both way. Which option? Which option, everyone? Everyone understood? Any doubt, anyone? Rishi, are you there? Any doubt you have? No doubt. Can I move to the next question? Yes. In a class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer, minus 1 mark awarded for every incorrect answer, 0 for awarded for the question not attempted. For correct answer, 3. Wrong answer, minus 1. Not attempted, 0. Okay. Srinu gets 2 correct and 6 correct answer. Incorrect. 2 correct. 6 incorrect. And 2 not attempted. Total score 2 into 3, 6, minus 6 plus 0, 0. Correct, everyone? 2 into 3, 6, 2 questions correct. 2, each question correct question, 3 marks. 2 3s are 6 marks. Each wrong question, minus 1. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. 2 into 0, 0. Total 0 marks he got. A option. What is B option? Who is telling B option? No, fifth one you are telling B. Okay. Very good. Fifth question. What should be multiplied by minus 12 in order to get 180? What should be multiplied by minus 12 in order to get 180? By 12 you can do 12 15 times now minus 15. B option. Yes or no? 100% yes. B option correct. Next one. A lift descends. Descends means decreasing. A lift descends into an underground floor at the rate of 6 meters per minute. For every 1 minute, it is decreasing 6 meters. If the descent starts from 10 meters, above the ground level, okay, how much time will it take to descend 350 meters? I need to draw diagram. This is the ground, let us assume. Above the ground level, that means here it started descent. This length is 10 meters. 350 meters it went up. Here it started now. Here it completed. Total 10 plus 350, how much? 360. 360 by, for each 1 minute, 6 meters by 6. 60 minutes. 60 minutes means how much? 1 hour now. Which option? D option. Sorry, C option. You understood logic? Maybe by using diagram you understood very clearly. Yes? The total is 360 meters. Each 1 minute 6 meters. So 360 by 6. How many meters? 60 minutes. Understand? For 1 minute 6 meters means 360 meters means 60 minutes. Descent means decreasing. It is coming like this. Okay. The lift is coming like this. Next question. Can I move next one? Rishi, understood? No, no. Rishi, you can understand the diagram, Rishi. You can read the question, Rishi. This is the ground. This is the ground, Rishi. We are in second floor. That second floor is in 10 meters. We are going down up to, this is 350 meters. Total how many meters? 360 meters. 360 by, for 6 meters, it will take 1 minute time. 360 by 6 meters, how many minutes? 60 minutes time. 60 minutes means 1 hour only now. You need to read the question, okay? Good. Next question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees above zero. How much noon? 12 noon. 10 degrees above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour until midnight, what would be the temperature at 9 p.m.? Very simple. First of all, 12 noon to 9 p.m., how much you can see? Afternoon 12 to 9 means how many hours? 9 hours. That's very clear, everyone. Okay. Every hour it is decreasing 2 units. 9 into minus 2. Minus 18 degrees centigrade. 8 or 18? Total answer you are telling. 10 degrees. Actually, it is 10 degrees. 10 minus 18 degrees. How much? Minus 8 degrees. Which option? The option. Understand? Actual 10 degrees is there. From afternoon 12 to night 9 hours are there. Each hour it is decreasing minus 2 hours. So 9 into minus 2, it is minus 18 degrees. Minus 18. I think everyone understood. Between 12 to 9 hours. 9 into minus 2 degrees, minus 18 degrees centigrade. Actually 10 degrees is there. 10 degrees minus 18 degrees centigrade. Total minus 8 degrees centigrade. Celsius. Okay, anything is same. Next one. Can I move to the next question? Yes. What is the identity element with respect to subtraction integers? What is the identity element with respect to subtraction integers? Identity element with respect to subtraction. Anyone have idea? 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Correct? Huh? 5 minus 0 is 5. Identity means a minus 0. A minus a only now. That's it. 0. Ninth one. Which of the following statement holds correct? That symbol, you know, subset. You don't know that symbol. Maybe Pranil, you know that symbol. This is called subset symbol. Natural numbers, subset of whole numbers, subset of integers, first option. That means, what is this meaning means, whatever whole numbers contains all the natural numbers, no? Integers contains all the whole numbers, no? That's why. This set contains this set. This set contains this set. But you cannot understand, I will discuss later this question again, okay? In sets chapter, it will come. That you leave it, go to the 10th question, okay? The quotient of two numbers is minus 17. If one of the number is minus 340, what is the another number? LKG minus 340 by minus 70. One minus cancel, 17 here 20 times. Which option? A. Integer chapter completed successfully. How is the chapter? How is the questions? How you enjoyed? Everything? Good? Nice. Easy. Cool. Nice answers. It was interesting. You enjoyed a lot. Superb, mind-blowing, awesome. I think like cool. Someone said cool. That's why I showed cool photo. This is a lake. How the photo like that, no? Yes, Rishi, ask your doubt. I can unmute you. Yes, sir, ask your doubt. You speak, Rishi. You can unmute yourself, everyone.
Understand the eighth one.
Eighth one.
In previous contest questions.
Eighth one, you read the question.
Sir, it is what is the identity element with respect
0.
to
3 minus
subtract-
0, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 0, 6. 0 is the identity element. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, which state, sir, that is with that lake?
That
Arabia.
lake is in no. It is actually in Sikkim.
Sir, it is written in Arabic, no, sir?
Hello?
Written in
No.
Arabic, sir.
Gangtok.
Sikkim, sir.
Gangtok. Sikkim. Gangtok.
But it
It's
is
almost
written.
backside of this hill. Almost it's a China border.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After that, it's a border area completely. Songo Lake.
Sir, where, sir?
It is in
Sikkim.
Gangtok, Sikkim.
Oh, okay, sir.
It has Arabic there, sir.
Yes, sir. It is written in Arabic, sir.
It written in Arabic. That is.
Urdu, sir. Urdu or Arabic, I don't know, sir.
Oh, sir.
Urdu na.
Hindi, sir.
Some other language, sir, not.
Sanskrit, Hindi mix it.
Sanskrit.
Hindi mix it, sir. They are saying. Not able to read it.
I will show where is the place actually. That is this one,
Yes,
you are
sir.
saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is actually Nepali language. Nepalese language. That is Sanskrit. Sanskrit means Nepalis will use which language?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know, sir.
Nepali, sir.
Nepal. Yes, sir.
Similar to Hindi.
Nepali only. I think
Because
Nepali is
we're staying nearby, no. That's why.
Sir, that is not Nepali, sir.
It is.
that is not.
I think that's true.
I think it's Nepali. I thought.
Why do they put flags there, sir? That kind of red.
They will under colors might be there.
Everywhere. When I also went, it was there, sir. Full of.
Sir, when did you go, sir?
He went to so many. I think a year back.
Okay, sir.
I haven't
Cool problems we did not. That's a
Almost
cool photo I take.
1.5 years.
Okay, that's it today's class. I think tomorrow I can say either physics or chemistry sir to take the class. Okay. And
Yes,
Sunday morning
Okay,
class
sir.
is there. After the test will be there. Physics and chemistry. 20
Same.
questions.
Same time,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Same time or same 20 minutes, 20 questions, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This complete class